Best Mediterranean diet staples for joint protection. Maintaining joint health is essential for mobility and overall well-being. A diet rich in anti-inflammatory and nutrient-dense foods can significantly support joint protection. The Mediterranean diet, renowned for its health benefits, offers some of the best options for reducing inflammation and preserving cartilage. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints? Discover the natural solution. Visit the link below in the description for the details. Here are the best Mediterranean diet staples for joint protection. 1. Extra virgin olive oil, packed with oleocanthal. It naturally reduces inflammation and supports cartilage health. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, that help reduce joint pain and stiffness. 3. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and chard supply antioxidants, vitamin K, and calcium, all vital for strong joints. 4. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, and beans offer plant-based protein and minerals like magnesium for connective tissue support. 5. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax seeds contain omega-3s and polyphenols that protect cartilage. 6. Whole grains, barley, quinoa, and farro reduce systemic inflammation and provide essential minerals for joint function. 7. Fruits rich in antioxidants, berries, citrus, and pomegranates enhance collagen synthesis and fight oxidative stress. 8. Herbs and spices, turmeric, oregano, and rosemary contain compounds that help reduce joint inflammation naturally. Incorporating these best Mediterranean diet staples for joint protection into your daily meals can strengthen joints, reduce inflammation, and improve overall mobility. A balanced Mediterranean approach is a proactive way to maintain joint health for the long term. Do you want to improve mobility and flexibility in your joints so you can move freely, exercise without discomfort, and enjoy daily activities with ease? Visit the link below in the description for the details. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.